Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to refund a game on Steam in 2025. So whether it is not working or you just didn't enjoy it, I will guide you through the refund request process. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps here. First of all, you need to understand that Steam allows refunds only if you have played the game for less than 2 hours and you bought it within the last 14 days. So if you meet these requirements, you are good to go. First of all, in your web browser, you need to search for steampower.com and then you need to simply log in into your account. You can also open a new tab and you can type this particular URL, which is help.steampower.com, and then you will be landed on this page. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see the purchase tab. So you need to just click on it. Here in purchases, you will find the game that you want to refund. So you need to just click on it. As you can see, that option is not available here. So if that's the case with you as well, it simply means that you are not eligible for it. But if you see the game over here, you need to select that particular game just like so. Then select I would like a refund. Then choose the reason of that refund and select if you want the money back in your Steam wallet or in your original payment method. After reviewing your information, you need to click on the submit request option and you will get an email confirmation. Steam usually replies within a few hours to 7 days, so you need to be patient about it. So whichever method you have chosen, you are going to receive your refund and your money in that particular account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.